Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chimakeover, that Igbo girl that keeps winning every day. Yes, there's this trending thing that people now do in Nigeria where you would close your eyes and tie a gele. That's called blindfolded igele. That's you have to close your eyes, you tie the gele from start to finish. So watch Igbo Gele do his best in tying this gele flawlessly. As in, like, I don't know, I don't think I'll have the mind, but the guy finished work for this gele. He finished work for the gele. You know what it is to close your eyes, you are not seeing what you're doing, you're just flowing with the gele, your hand is just doing the kurukere thing. The guy try way. And not just him, so many other people. I'm going to be showing you their videos of the gele they did with their eyes closed, so enjoy it and you can try it either with your eyes closed or your eyes open, but just try this technique. I hope you're enjoying it. Just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more tutorials, more funny videos, more vlogs. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Just tell me what you feel about this blindfolded gele, and catch you in my next video. And don't forget to watch till the end. Bye guys.